Hi guys, and welcome back to my Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying to replicate a look that has been designed by you. I put up a blank picture of my face, created an email address, stuck it on my Instagram stories and was like, design me a look. You know, get creative, have some fun, but be kind. And I'll try and recreate it. And they were fabulous. I had some fabulous emails, but you weren't kind. Oh my God, were you not kind? You know, I'm an amateur here. I don't know what I'm doing. And there were some crazy floral designs that I'm gonna have a go at some point. But I figured today we'd just start with the easiest one I could find. Okay, so this was sent to me from Dawn Graham, and I absolutely love the colours. They're not, zooming in, they're not symmetrical either side, so what I'm going to assume is like it's a blend from purple to pink, which is really cool. I love that. I don't know how well I'm going to get on with doing the purple on the lower lash line because I'm a big fan of my tape because it keeps things neat, but sod it, we're going to give it a go anyway. The only thing I don't have is white eyeliner. I have face paint, but I'm not going to put that, you know, that close to my eye, so I'm not 100% sure about that yet. But obviously I can do the dots and things with the face paint, but I don't know, we'll just get to it, shall we, and give it a go. So I've gone through like all the palettes that I've already got, and I have come across my Revolution Ultra Colour Explosion eyeshadow palette, which is incredibly mucky because I've had it for a couple of years and, you know, I use it. So it's a bit mucky. And because there is purple on the lower lash line, I'm not going to use my tape. Scared. I'm so scared. We're just going to dive right in. We're just going to go. Like, I don't even know where to start. It's quite daunting, not gonna lie. If I knew what I was doing, I'd be like, right, we're gonna start with this numbered brush and we're just gonna start with this particular colour from this particular palette. Okay, so we're gonna start with the darkest purple I have in said palette. I like to work from the outside in. We're just gonna go for it, see what happens. Famous last words. But here we go. Once I start, there's no going back. Okay, let's see. So going out here. Oh, that's unknown territory. I think if this becomes a thing, I'm gonna have to invest. I invent nothing. Invest in some more eyeshadow palettes, I think, with more colours. So I'm going to move on from this bit. We're going to go for the purple that is right next door. I'm going to go over it slightly and just start to blend it across. I do really like this. I feel the need to blend out this edge just a little bit, because I know I usually like my strict sort of neat lines. I just feel blending it out a bit would look just a little better. Do the same thing and just pop it in the middle. And then start going backwards. Back the way you've came, so you're blending it together. Oh God, this is lovely. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, well done, Dawn. Right, okay. I'm gonna need a peachy sort of colour. Yeah, I'm gonna open my Dawn Gazing palette. It's from the Beauty Crop. I love this stuff. It's full of all fabulous pinks. And go for the Sunrise, which is just there, and start working that into the corner We'll see what it looks like. It could be right, it could be wrong, but we'll give it a go. Ah, love. Some glitter. Do we have a go at some lines with some glitter? Quite literally holding my breath. This is like, it's like a gel, so it's quite difficult to get a line, but I have a line. It's a bit thick though. It's a bit thicker than I wanted, but actually I think I'm just going to do the one just for the sake of doing the one. I think if I do another one, I'm going to lose space. A little bit of glitter under here. So we're going to go in for my eyeliner. I'm using Soap & Glory's Super Cat. It's one of my absolute faves. And if I want a finer line, I usually use the Beauty Crop's Wing Woman. But in Dawn's design, the eyeliner goes all the way across the lid. Thank you. Which if you've watched previous videos of mine, when I'm wearing fake eyelashes, I love putting my eyeliner all the way above my lid because it hides it when I can't get my lashes on quite straight. Oh God. Usually I have no problems, but I've just up. It's fine. I'm not professional. If my eyeliner's a bit wonky, it's wonky. Okay, so liner applied. Before we do my mascara, on that design there are 3 white dots. Now, because I've replaced the white lines with one glitter line, I figured, why do dots? No, start again. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, mascara. My favourite mascara is the Thick and Fast by Soap & Glory. I like the fact that it has a real brush rather than like one of those plastic things that aren't really brushes. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I know what I mean. Okay, so I am going to go now very, very quickly and replicate this on the other eye, put some lashes on, and then I will be back. Oh God, guys, I love it. I love it so much. I really do. I did go for that second line of glitter because Dawn was right, 2 lines. Thank you so much, honey, for taking the time to draw on my face and email it over. I absolutely love it, and I hope you don't mind that I changed a couple of things, and it was only because I didn't have any white eyeliner, so I, you know, went with the glitter instead. But I have to say, I love it. I really do love it, and this is definitely something that I'm going to do again. So if you want to have a go, head over to my Instagram. There is a highlight that says draw on me. In that highlight there is a photo of my ugly mug for you to screenshot. There is the email address, which is paintcharlottesface@gmail.com. Have a go, be creative, draw something, challenge me, but at the same time be kind, because I'm a complete and utter bloody novice. I can't wait to have a look through your submissions. This is definitely something I'm going to do again, purely because it was fun. I had fun. I enjoyed myself. And that's what this is about, really. Just having fun, playing with colour, being a bit creative. And yeah, I had a great time. And I'm completely obsessed with my eyelids right now. Like, I love it. I really do love it. It's so cool. Oh, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching it. You know, I hope you're feeling a bit inspired. I also hope you head over to Instagram and draw on my face, because I want to see what you come up with. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and that little jingly bell thing. And yeah, I'll see you next time.